They call me Justin. Justin Trouble.
Three, can I have, please, your favourite film actor? 1, 2, 3! None of you said Luke Manning. Now let's have your favourite animal on 3. 1, 2, 3! None of you said Luke Manning.
We would drive all the way down, coming back from Devon to the city, and we would see this place.
I'm so excited, honey.
For me?
Well, it's in your cup, isn't it?
Just topping up the coffee.
A place where people can party and have fun, and
Orgies.
one of the world's most incredible limbo establishments.
Do you really need 330 rooms for a limbo establishment?
People will come. I think I'll name it after my father. His name was Luke Manning.
Oh, the next anonymous kind of genius never seen before. Sharp eye, keen wit, handsome face, and twinkle in the eye. What a classic star, you know, before you get all around these little TikTok dances. A real man's man, ladies and gentlemen.
I believe so.
Don't mind me saying about your mother, but you know the kind of man we all want to be or be with. That Luke Manning.
Can I ask you a question?
I think you just did.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
In Berlin?
You're in Berlin, you know. It's all about... Frank, this is fantastic news! A new place is open in Limbo, and it's in the United Kingdom. Let's visit this together. We both love a band. Let's go and visit this new establishment. Yeah?
Okay. Thank you so much, Frank.
Go, 1 franc for Frank.
Outdated currency!
Sometimes you do tell me the truth, but sometimes you keep some truth to yourselves. Like someone playing blackjack who's only a 13. Not knowing what card will fall next. You keep it to yourself. Why, when I mention Shropshire, does your face go?
It does not. It's
Shropshire.
fine. We can visit the Shropshire.
Shropshire.
Shropshire. Look, some plane tickets.
First class?
Yeah, of course. The Limbo champions, not
Improvised comedians.
That's right. Whoa, be careful, be careful. That's good. Okay, yes, I know I did. I'm just saying, when they're on the lawn here. Look, if you're going to do it, I need you to do it properly, okay?
You told me to stop.
Just be careful with what you're doing, and tell your man over here to be careful of the basketball court.
Alan!
Yeah?
Be careful of the basketball court.
Take out the basketball court.
Be careful of the basketball court.
Do you know what? Just don't worry about the basketball. I just
Don't
want
worry about it, bulldozer, mate.
just.
That's time in your life when you end up lashing out at people who don't quite deserve it.
What's your name?
Tim.
You're fired. Take that bulldozer, and we'll finish what you're doing first, but then...
It's alright. I got a feeling I'm not the only person who's been let go recently.
Fuckers, all of them.
Yeah, it's not bad, no?
Yeah.
See, I knew you'd like it here. And look, they're getting work done. The basketball court is gone. Look, they've got like a long limbo ball. You have to limbo for like 200 meters. That's crazy. It's almost like I don't know how limbo works, but like, I like they're experimenting with the form.
How interesting.
Oh, look, a Britishman.
Hello! Welcome to the Hotel Limbo. You must be this low to enter.
How did you get in?
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah. I think you just did.
I'm not...
Chill out, okay?
Don't tell me to chill.
Darling,
This
relax.
is...
Relax.
Don't bend over until we're ready. And the keys. Yes, indeed. Here's your key. Now, I'm not an expert in guitars. Is this important? Okay, well, I'm going to stand here for another 8 hours.
Bird noise.
Yeah. It was unregulated limboing. He knew the risks. And if it had gotten out, would have been the end of all of us.
You want too much! Nothing will beat the limboing genius of the man who was buried in that basement, and you know his name!
Yes.
His English name.
I don't know why he did it. He could have just walked under that limbo. It's what he would have wanted.
I know. He was such a good man. And an excellent lover. He mustn't know. He doesn't know. He suspects. But he's not very bright.
Limbo is a dirty business. You know the motto.
Live and let limbo.
And there's nothing we won't stoop to.
Maybe we could stay there someday.
Maybe we could stay there someday.
Yeah, maybe we could stay there someday, darling. Oh, look, a river, fun. Splash with me, darling, splash with me. You've become an angry man. I didn't fall in love with an angry man.
Didn't you?
I fell in love with a champion.
A champion.
Am I even real? Or is this just a conversation you need to have with yourself? I'm just a dead female character to make the male's lead story more interesting.
I was just a young boy. I was there saying, "You can do it, Daddy. Don't... I know you're short and everything, but... But just go a little bit lower. It'll be fine. You can do it, Daddy." And I called him on.
Avenge your father. Bury the ones who killed him. Fun times, everyone. This one's about 5'9" off the ground.
I just wanted to say that even if sometimes you do keep things from me, that's okay. I need to learn to be flexible like Let Limbo. And if there's things in your past you don't want to tell me, that's absolutely fine.
He's such a good man.
Don't cheat!
Wait a moment. A moment ago you mentioned a name.
Oh, Luke Manning.
With my father.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. I heard what happened to him. Such a sad death. I heard that he got there was like a bacon slicer instead of a limbo ball, and that must have been so sad.
You did the same one twice.
Oh, please lower it down.
Oh, well, here comes the next one. This one's called The Freaky Bird.
So as I was saying, tell me about your father.
He was a great limbo player. He was a great limbo player. When I was a child, he used to tell me.
Hey, are you playing partner limbo?
It's a real honor to have you here. And I think right now, it must be too easy and embarrassing for you. Joseph? Let's go to the World Championship level, shall we?
But this is just a fun tournament.
A fun tournament? Limbo is always fun, isn't it?
Yes.
A fun game to some people. But to others, it's a way of life.
I've only repaid the favor. I'm going to get the med kit.
I really wanted to go. But I have done nothing wrong to her, so I don't understand. My wife is dead.
Nothing to do with it! I did it! I killed him!
Name. Say his name. This. Who's that? I return from the woods. Do you want to ask your question now?
It's ruined too many lives. Lives.
Such incredible skill. Such incredible bending movements.
You were the one my father spoke about all these years, the weirdly tall man.
Ow!
I feel like that is something you should not do with a herniated disc.
I'm not long for this world. By limboing, I have ended my life. All my organs are ruptured.
There's someone here who'd like to speak to you.
Who?
Luke Manning.
The suffering was caused by the men who take it too seriously. This sport was not destined. This sport was not destined for the Olympics. It's for parties and general silliness.
No, you're over here now.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh no, when you threw the
detonator, it blew it up.
We have to get out of here now!
Take her! Go!
Go!
I will remain.
No, we've got to go through here. There's a really low bar. Oh my God, there's an even really low one.
Darling, that hotel looks nice.
What do you say, darling?
Maybe we could stay there sometime.
A place like that?
Oh, that's weird, darling. I just have a sense of deja vu.
What do you mean?
I feel like we've had this memory before. It's like we're... And scene.